When we're first learning to crochet, sometimes it's difficult to find that first stitch of the row. So I'm going to put a stitch marker right there in the first stitch, and then I'm going to go ahead and work the rest of the row down to the end. Now this is just to mark the first stitch of each row, and it also lets you see where your hook is going to go when you come to that stitch. So there's my turning chain. I drop down and right there's my first stitch. So I'm going to insert my hook, finish my stitch, and then right here I'm going to put my stitch marker just under that last loop that I pulled through, and then finish the row. Now this is just to help you get started so that you can see where those stitches go, and after some practice you'll be able to see those stitches without the stitch markers. This is just to get you used to what they look like. So there's my last stitch. I can see that's where I insert my hook. Now I'm going to undo that one and set it aside for now. Finish the stitch, chain one, and turn. Remember to skip your turning chain and work the first stitch in a single crochet. And again, you're going to place that stitch marker just under that last loop that you pulled through, and then work down the rest of the row down to your next stitch marker.